Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever imagined having a garden that's always lush, full of vitality, and bursting with vibrant blooms? In today's video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly simple organic fertilizer recipe made entirely from familiar ingredients you already have in your kitchen. The special thing is that this formula works for all kinds of plants in your garden. After just a short time of applying it, you'll start to see thick, white roots forming, leaves becoming greener, firmer, and shinier, full of energy, and flower spikes beginning to stretch out, with buds appearing all over the plant, signaling a brilliant, long-lasting blooming season ahead. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. Do you have any lime in your kitchen cabinet? You probably do, right? Lime are a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, but few people know that they're also a natural miracle remedy for plants, especially ornamental plants and orchids. To make the first type of organic fertilizer, we'll start by cutting the lemon peels. Lemon peels contain plenty of natural essential oils, vitamin C, organic acids, and beneficial minerals that help boost a plant's resistance, limit fungal diseases, and stimulate strong root development. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, go ahead and finely chop the lemon peels just like in the video. Chopping the lemon peels finely helps them release essential oils, vitamins, and minerals into the water more quickly, creating a more nutrient-dense solution. In addition, the smaller pieces speed up the fermentation process, allowing plants to absorb the nutrients more effectively when used. After that, put all the chopped lemon peels into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I'm using is honey. Honey contains many natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that stimulate root growth, boost immunity, and help plants recover quickly. I add 1 spoon of honey to the chopped lemon peels. Everyone has rice at home, right? In addition to lemon peel and honey, I'm also adding rice, an extremely familiar ingredient that surprisingly provides great benefits for plants. Rice is a source of B vitamins, minerals, starch, and natural amino acids that boost plant vitality, stimulate strong root growth, and help plants recover more quickly. I add 3 spoons of rice into the cup containing the lemon peels and honey. After that, add 500 milliliters of hot water to dilute the mixture. Next, stir well so that the nutrients from the rice, lemon peels, and honey blend completely into the water. After stirring, cover the mixture and let it sit for 1 hour to allow the nutrients to stabilize before use. While the mixture is soaking, I take the time to lightly pre-water the plants in the garden. This step is very important because it helps wake up the roots and prepares them to absorb nutrients more effectively. The clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt residues and dust, and creates a well-aerated environment for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients. At the same time, the young root tips become activated, allowing the entire root system to gently expand and increase its ability to transport water and nutrients. This early activation stage is extremely important because once the organic fertilizer solution is applied later, The plant will be able to absorb the nutrients more quickly, more evenly, and with far better efficiency. After finishing the pre-watering process, carefully lift the plant out of its pot, or simply expose the root area, depending on the type of plant you're working with, so you can begin applying the organic fertilizer solution. After 1 hour, we proceed to strain out the solid residue. This step is extremely important as it removes all the remaining fibers and particles, making the solution smoother and clearer. By filtering out the pulp completely, we prevent the spray nozzle from getting clogged during application and avoid leaving unwanted residue on the leaf surface. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixture. And that's it. The solution is now ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's go ahead and apply it to the plants in your garden. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted mixture of lemon peels, honey, and rice into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, allowing the solution to gradually soak into the growing medium and reach the roots directly. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, allowing the solution to gradually soak into the growing medium and reach the roots directly. You should water with this solution once a week. After the plant becomes healthy and stable, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain consistent nutrition. Besides orchids, I also use this solution to water peace lily plants. Peace lilies love moisture, but require high aeration around their roots. So, when watering, you should water gently around the base and avoid letting water sit for too long, as this can cause root rot or fungal issues. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up some of the solution, and carefully wipe each leaf surface one by one. First, I'll start by cleaning the leaves of the peace lily. When caring for peace lilies, you need to work very gently because their leaves are thin and can easily get scratched if you rub too hard. The solution made from lemon peels, honey, and rice helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and long-standing residue from the leaf surface. At the same time, it restores the natural shine of the leaves and enhances their ability to photosynthesize. In addition, regularly wiping the leaves allows you to closely observe the plant's condition, helping you detect pests or early signs of root stress before they become serious. This routine keeps your peace lily healthy, vibrant, and evenly growing with lush, glossy green leaves. For the best results, you should do this 1 to 2 times per week. In addition, I'll also clean the leaves of the anthurium plant. Just like when caring for peace lilies, use a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked lightly in the lemon peel honey rice solution. Then gently wipe each leaf surface of the anthurium with care and patience. This process helps remove dust, mineral buildup, and harmful residues on the leaves while providing natural nutrients from the lemon peel. Combined with the antibacterial properties of honey and the nourishing components of rice, the leaves become glossier, stronger, and more efficient at photosynthesis. Since anthurium leaves are thick and firm, you should thoroughly wipe both the top and underside of each leaf to ensure the nutrients are absorbed evenly, enhancing the plant's resistance and effectively preventing pests and diseases. Method 3. Pour the lemon peel, honey, and rice solution into a spray bottle and mist the entire plant evenly, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils. For orchids, misting the plant allows the natural minerals and nutrients to be absorbed evenly across all parts of the orchid, creating a gentle protective layer against bacteria, mold, and pests. At the same time, the solution helps the leaves become glossier, enhances photosynthesis, and promotes balanced growth throughout the entire plant. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If you notice any remaining water droplets on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This helps prevent excess moisture from creating a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Once the leaves have completely dried, the plant is well protected, reducing the risk of leaf rot, crown rot, and other issues. The leaves will remain thick, glossy, healthy, and full of vitality. Similarly, I also use the lemon peel, honey, and rice solution to mist the peace lily. Misting helps the nutrients spread evenly over the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils, providing natural minerals, boosting the plant's ability to photosynthesize, and creating a gentle protective layer against bacteria, mold, and pests. With the peace lily's soft and delicate leaves, misting both the upper and lower surfaces allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply, keeping the foliage glossy, healthy, and growing strongly. You should mist the plant once a week during the first month, then reduce the frequency to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. Results after 2 months. For peace. Lily. The leaves have become lush, thick, and vibrant. The root system has developed strongly, with many new fine roots emerging. New flower stalks form evenly and firmly, and the blooms stay fresh for a long time with a bright, vivid red color, bringing a lively and refreshing beauty to your garden or indoor space. For orchids. Flower spikes and buds grow evenly and robustly. Numerous large, healthy buds appear with bright, lasting colors. The flowers bloom one after another, creating a stunning display of vitality that keeps your orchid pot radiant for many weeks. For other plants such as anthurium, the results are equally impressive. New flower shoots and buds develop steadily, preparing for a vibrant bloom. The buds are plentiful, large, and brightly colored, staying fresh for a long time and creating eye-catching, vigorous-looking plants. This is the well-deserved reward for your persistence and care. When nourished properly, orchids respond with vibrant energy and naturally brilliant flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.